In this tutorial, we're going to determine how to calculate present value of a bond. So the question is, what is the present value of a 10-year $1,000 bond with a coupon of 8%, a yield to maturity of 6.15%, and paid out annually? So let's create the table here. So the first thing we're going to do is put in the present value, what we're looking for. The next will be rate. The time will be, we calculate it as N per, but that will be the time. Then we have the payment, the future value, and the type. So to calculate this, we're going to go up here and we have to include all of the information in here first. So what is the rate? Well, the rate is the yield to maturity rate, which is 0.0615. The time, N per time, is 10 years. The payment is 8%, but that's of $1,000, so that would be $1,000 times 0.08, or $80. The future value of the bond, as you know, with a bond you will get back the original face value of the bond, which is $1,000, and the type in this case is 0 because it is paying out at the end of the year. So to calculate present value, we will go up here to Financials, drop down, and notice that we have PV, which is our present value formula. We click this. Now all we do is fill in the blank. So as rate, we click this cell, B3, click into N per for time, and then click the cell C3. The next one is payment. We click into here and then 80. We don't want to type the numbers in here. We want to use the cell so we can reuse this template. The future value is 1,000 and the type is 0. Once we've calculated this, notice we have the present value as $1,135.20. That's it. Thank you very much.